Welcome to the T3 AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Click here to start. After that, click on Page. Once that's done, select the page you want to optimize. Click on TYPO3 AI. Click on SEO. Click on Optimize SEO. Choose AI model. Choose AI version. Select meta title need. Select meta description need. Select meta keywords need. Choose a number of results you desire. After selecting, click on Generate AI to show results. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Select the result you want. You can even generate your prompt by clicking here. The default prompt is available for reference. Voice navigate your prompt, click here. After, click on Save Changes. Choose the meta description you want. Edit your title here. Edit your meta description here. Click on Save and Close. Click on the page to check the results.
Thank you for watching the T3 AI series.